A great countertop toaster oven with air fryer function is the best of both worlds. We've tested the best air frying toaster ovens so you can find the perfect one. When you think of an air fryer, the image that likely pops into your mind is one of those plastic, rounded, pod-shaped models. But hybrid convection toasters with air fryer modes are now plentiful, and a good one will do about as much as anything else you can buy for your kitchen. I've used one of these air fryer toaster ovens for several years and find the uses for it many and the results delicious. Number 5. Cuisinart. 14 cooking functions in 1 to 8 presets for specific foods plus 6 cooking methods including toast, roast, bake, keep warm, and dehydrate meet every cooking need at the touch of a button. Fast and delicious results. Rapid heat circulation technology cooks your food up to 50% faster than a traditional oven for less waiting and more enjoying large capacity. This product has a large capacity of 10 quarts and is suitable for 5 to 7 people. Large capacity can better meet the dining needs of you and your family members. Dishwasher-safe accessories. With a non-stick basket and dishwasher-safe accessories, you can enjoy mess-free cooking and an easy cleanup every time. Free app with 1,000+ recipes. Enjoy over 1,000 recipes made by Cuisinart chefs on the VSync app. Step-by-step instructions, cook time, and temperature let you cook delicious meals without the guesswork. Smart control. Choose settings and monitor the cooking process remotely from your smartphone with the VSync app, or access voice control through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Extra 6 accessories. Make any meal you're craving with an included air frying basket, wire rack, crumb tray, crisper plate, and 2 dehydrating racks. Healthier meals. With crunchy results using little to no oil, you can meet health goals without sacrificing your favorite. Satisfaction guaranteed. Experiencing issues? Our California-based customer support team is here to help. If your product is defective, don't worry about shipping it back. We'll send you a replacement right away. Number 4. Instant Vortex Pro. Functionality. Air fry, bake, broil, dehydrate, roast, proof, toast, reheat and rotisserie. Even crisp technology. Advanced technology that drives airflow top down for a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. Rotisserie feature. Perfect for self-basting and tumble frying. Top heating element with fan ensures optimal cooking and baking performance. One-touch smart programs. 6 customizable programs for one-touch rotisserie-style chicken, garlicky potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns and more. Fast preheating. Little to no preheating time, from frozen to golden in minutes. Create gourmet meals with the versatility of a temperature range of 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Included accessories include a non-stick drip pan and 2 perforated cooking trays, as well as stainless steel rotisserie basket, rotisserie spit and forks, and lift tool. Easy cleanup. Oven door removes easily and cleans easily with a damp cloth and dish soap. Dishwasher safe drip pan, cooking trays, rotisserie basket, spit, forks and screws. Safety features. Built-in safety features including overheat protection and auto off to keep your mind at ease. Discover amazing recipes. Download our free Instant Pot app, so you can create quick new favorites and prepare delicious meals, available iOS and Android. A kitchen must-have. Perfect for quick delicious meals, preparing side dishes, appetizers, rotisserie chicken and more. Great addition to any kitchen. Number 3. Cuisinart TOA. Introducing a healthier way to fry, and so much more. The Cuisinart oven fryer is actually a premium full-size toaster oven with a built-in air fryer. That means it not only bakes, broil, and toasts, it also lets you air fry right inside the oven. Best of all, a large 4-pound chicken requires only about a teaspoon of oil to fry. Air frying, which uses powerful ultra-hot air, is a healthier way to prepare delicious fried favorites, from wings to fritters to fries to shrimp. Endless functions. This premium 1800-watt full-size toaster oven can air fry, is equipped with a convection bake setting, convection broil, warming feature, and toasting feature, all in one appliance capacity. Large enough to toast 6 slices of bread, air fry 3 pounds of chicken wings, bake a 12-inch pizza or roast a 4-pound chicken. Superior operation. Equipped with an adjustable timer thermostat, 60-minute timer, auto shutoff and a toast shade selector timer to ensure your meals are cooked to your perfection. Includes. This unit comes with the essentials: an oven light, oven rack, baking pan, air fryer rack, basket and has a non-stick easy clean interior to make mess cleanup simple. Limited 3 year warranty. Refer to user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. This product is BPA free. Number 2. Philips Premium Air Fryer. Bring home the world's #1 air fryer so you can have 100% taste satisfaction with crispy on the outside and tender on the inside results, using little to no added oil, with up to 90% less fat. The Philips Premium Air Fryers are the only air fryers with fat removal technology that extracts and captures excess fat, more fat than other air fryer competitors. Now you can fry your favorite foods with little or no added oil and remove fat from food, too. With a 3 pounds, 7 quarts capacity and no preheat needed, you can now make delicious meals 4x faster than an oven for the up to 6 people every day. All removable parts are dishwasher safe, and our air fryer's quick clean basket has a non-stick coating for easy cleaning. An included 1-year warranty helps maintain peace of mind. The Philips snack cover is the perfect accessory for creating delicious snacks like kale or veggie chips. The snack cover is also a great way to minimize splatter for fatty foods, which would also reduce smoke during cooking. Booklet with chef's tips, beginner's recipe and cooking times helps you to master air fryer snacks. Number 1. Ninja DZ201. Independent baskets. The original air fryer with 2 independent baskets, the XL air fryer lets you cook 2 foods, 2 ways, at the same time, eliminating back-to-back cooking like a traditional single basket air fryer. Smart Finish and Match Cook. Dual zone technology allows you to choose between the Smart Finish feature, which unlocks cooking 2 foods 2 ways that finish at the same time, and the In a Match Cook button to easily copy settings across zones for full 8 QT capacity. 6in1 functionality. Includes 6 versatile cooking programs: air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. XL capacity. The 8-quart air fryer capacity lets you fit mains and sides at the same time for making quick family meals, or up to 4 pounds of French fries or chicken wings. Separate heating zones. 2 independent 4-quart zones have their own cooking baskets, cyclonic fans, and rapid heaters. Easy cleaning. Easy to clean baskets and dishwasher-safe crisper plates. Less fat. Up to 75% less fat than traditional air frying methods. Tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries. Wide temperature range. 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit allows you to gently remove moisture from foods or quickly cook and crisp foods with convection heat. What's included? Dual zone air fryer, 2 4-quart baskets, 2 non-stick crisper plates, 15 recipes, additional meal options and cooking charts.